It is a new hair color day. Whoop whoop. Today we are trying a new brand we never tried before because I just got sent these 3 colors of hair juice from Hair Dope to review. After some deliberation, I'm gonna go with the Fuchsia. This is a semi-permanent. That means no mixing, no ammonia or any damaging chemicals in here. It says it'll last 5 to 8 rinses. I'm gonna show you my massaging method. That is super easy, anyone can do it. And we're gonna see how it does on unbleached brown hair. And we'll also see how it does on my once bleached and twice bleached hair. But while this is sitting, we're gonna have some fun with this Favr line from the Dead Sea. We got charcoal cleanser, a Dead Sea mineral mask, and moisturizing balm. So let's go. If you're new here, it's just hair with Heather. I'm not a professional, but I've been doing this for several years, cutting and coloring and bleaching and shaving and all this stuff. Just here to show you anyone can do it. Just have some fun. Don't worry if you mess up. It's all right. The setup. I've got my hair color towel, I've got gloves because this set does not come with gloves, I've got paper towels, I've got baby wipes, and I've got a garbage bag that I'm gonna put over the sink to protect this area. And of course my handy dandy trifold mirror. Whoop! There we go. I am going to put conditioner, although it's probably better if you do full on like Vaseline petroleum jelly. But I'm gonna put that around the hairline, over my ears, my back of my neck and stuff to protect my skin. Ooh, yes. Here we go. Oh, there we go. We're already on my head. This is nice and thick. Easy to work with. Massage it in. So easy. No sectioning, no foil. Definitely worth noting, there was no smell, good or bad, for the hair dye, which is great. Some of the ones with bleach and ammonia and peroxide and all that stuff have like really horrendous chemical smells. They're not good for your hair. But this one, yeah, great. Honestly, for my hair, which is half shaved under here, I don't know if this is gonna be enough to do it as like fully drenched as I usually like to. So I should have gotten 2. And if you have long hair, like get 3 or 4. If you don't have enough, that's a problem. You need to like have it fully saturated. And this is just not quite enough. We've got the bleach part. That's my focus because that's definitely where it's gonna show the most. I want to make sure that part is the most saturated. That's my focus. The brown part, if we have enough. This is like just enough. All right. Super easy to put on, nice and thick. Like it's really easy to spread around and stuff. Definitely get more than 1 tube. Unless you have a teeny tiny little pixie cut. You're gonna need like 2, 3, 4 tubes, possibly. I'm gonna clean up around here. It recommends 15 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna let it go the full hour. Now we're gonna have some fun with this Favr skincare that they sent to review. All these products, including Favr and the hair dye, are gonna be linked below in the video description in case you wanna buy them or check them out, more info. This is the charcoal cleanser. It says, this charcoal cleanser safely and effectively removes gunky oil, daily grime, pollution, and dirt buildup so your skin will stay as clean as fresh kicks. Directions, gently massage 1 pump onto dampened face to create a warming lather. Rinse clean with warm water, use AM and PM. Feels good. Ah, yes, that is like a really clean, fresh, love this cleanser. Next up, the Dead Sea mineral mask. I have been to the Dead Sea once and we did do the full mud all over the body and it was crazy. You feel like you're like an elephant and it hardens and starts cracking. It is bizarre, but when you take it off, your skin feels amazing. So I'm excited for this. This is made in Israel. This detoxifying, nourishing mask works to refine skin texture while stabilizing oily secretions and reducing unsightly blemishes. Designed to freshen troubled skin, it draws out oils and lifts dead cells, helping to strengthen and protect your complexion, giving it a wonderful sensation of flexibility. Directions: apply a generous layer after cleansing and let dry for 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. There is some like minty, mentally kind of thing going on. My eyes can sense it. I can smell it. Oh, menthol. The last ingredient is menthol, so that's where I'm getting the like fresh kind of menthol, minty kind of thing. 10 minutes are up. It feels good. There's no cracking or anything. It's not a peel mask. You're just gonna wash it off, so let's go. Another really great feeling product from Favr. I love it, I love it, I love it. I have really bad rosacea here, so it's pretty much always pink, but it's not red and inflamed. So that means that this is not irritating my skin, which is very sensitive, so big thumbs up. Last but not least, we're gonna do their moisturizing balm. Ooh, yes. So creamy. Oh my gosh, it smells good. If I have to classify this, I would say it's slightly more of a masculine smell, almost like a aftershave kind of smell, but it's really nice and not too strong. So I would say any gender is gonna love this. Really thick, not a summer, super lightweight kind of thing, more of a winter, really hydrating or nighttime cream, because there's no SPF in this. Oh my gosh! I am in love with this Favr line. Yes, yes, yes! Not to mention, the packaging is really pretty. It's gonna look great in your bathroom. Links below, don't forget. All right, it's been an hour. I'm gonna wash it out. This is probably my least favorite of the whole dyeing my hair at home process. It's tedious because I just do it in the bathtub. Let's go, it just takes a couple minutes. And also to help maintain it and like lock in that color as best you can, do the coldest water that you can tolerate and use gloves. Now we're gonna do a little bang trim while we're at it. Got my trusty Beard King. Whoop, whoop. This catches my bangs. So easy. I usually do them wet. Today I'm just gonna do them dry and I'm just gonna go boop, straight across. That'll do, as we say. Here is the trimmings that we caught. We're gonna disconnect our suckers from the mirror and dump in the garbage. Here we are, the grand reveal. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. I love it. It feels nice. It's beautiful. I will say the brown unbleached hair is like barely, if at all, tinted, but on bleached or lighter blonde, lighter brown hair, it's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it, I love it. I still have the icy blue and the green, which I don't know if I'm gonna do the green. I'm not a big fan of green on my hair, so I may not actually do that one, but I do have those to try and we'll see. Comment below what you think of the color or any of the products. If you decide to buy them and try them, let me know what you think. All the products used in this video, from the hair color to the skincare to the Beard King bang trimming cape, all of them are linked below in a video description in case you want to buy them. I will get some commission. Thank you. My kids have some big haircuts coming up because it's summer and they want to do it before camp starts and have a fresh new look for summer and going into the next school year. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be an adventure, especially my son has not cut his hair in 2 years. So if he actually does something, I will be shocked. We may actually take him to a professional because I want to avoid any kind of trauma for sure. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and see you next time. And remember, it's just hair. Have some fun. Bye.